Hello everyone, welcome to State Civil Services Update with Dr. Vivek. Hope you are doing well. Exam in focus today is HCS, Haryana Civil Services. There was a lot of ambiguity regarding fate of HCS examination, notification of which was out in February 2021. Prelims exam was conducted in month of September and mains were to be held in month of December. But due to OMR tampering controversy, exam could not be held, and now HPSC has finally decided to cancel the prelims examination altogether, and the exam would be now reconducted in month of July. So they have already announced the exact date. It's going to be on 10th July 2022. So it's a good opportunity for students who couldn't clear it in earlier stage and had applied for it, because no fresh application would be entertained for this given exam cycle. Only students who had filled the form and had appeared for the examination would be eligible for this examination. So rest terms and conditions would remain the same. So students who are already preparing for UPSC on June 5, I think it would really help them to target this exam as well. So students who are just focused on appearing in HCS examination and are facing any kind of difficulty, they are most welcome to visit Vivek IAS Career Academy from 11 to 1 p.m. on any weekday for discussing any strategy, or you are finding any exam related queries. We will be ready to assist you in your journey. So make sure you make the best use of this opportunity, and hopefully the examination is going to be a fair one. So just give your best, and that's what you can give at this point of time. So wishing you all the best for all your upcoming examination opportunities. Make sure this is a good phase for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.